So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes, and now this will come up. And now once you run this, you can follow everything that I'm going to be doing up here. So first you want to expand HK local machine. Now you want to expand software. Now you want to expand policies. And then once you've expanded policies, you now want to right click on it and then click on new and then click on key. You want to call this key Google. Spell it with the same capitals and lowercase as I did and then click on enter. And now once you have Google right here, you want to right click on Google and then click on new and then click on key. You want to call this key Chrome. Again, same spelling, capitals and lowercase as I used, and then click on enter. Now you want to make sure that you're in the Chrome folder. You want to click on Chrome, and now this will appear on the right side. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. And now once you run this, you just want to right click on the white space, and then click on new, and then click on dword 32-bit value. You want to call this renderer code integrity enabled. Again, same spelling, capitals and lowercase as I used, and then click on enter. And then once you have this, you want to double click on it. Make sure that in this box right here, you have the number 0. So value data in this box right here, you want to have the number 0 and then click on OK. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.